Wait. Oh yeah, twist too much on. Theo? Yeah. How's it going, guys? So today we're gonna put on this cap here. Some big guys. They're like 8 feet by 18 inches. And we're gonna put them on right on top of here. So this is where we're gonna install the cap. So we have 2 of them to do. This one, and then we have that one over there. That one we're gonna do that one afterwards. So now we're gonna just gonna figure on this one right now. It's gonna be a fun day. It's gonna be a fun day doing all this. Hey guys, I'm asking you guys a favor. I'm asking you to go ahead and hit that thumbs up button. I truly appreciate it, so that it helps YouTube to recognize the video. Thank you.
Я так и знал, что старых селек профессия пригодится.
So here we're setting up our first stone. You want to make sure you catch a perfect slope on the first carry on. And this job, it doesn't design for a coping. The homeowner decide that he's gonna put the coping here, and then he's gonna water the entire top afterwards. So if it was designed for the coping, it still would be above the coping. But because of the way it is now, we don't want to cut the stone from the front. Just want to put the coping the way it is right now, and then he's going to waterproof the entire top section afterwards, so that no water can seep underneath and go in there inside. So basically it's all about looks. Basically he's saying that when he stand up inside and look out, you don't want to see the tar and the top there, and if they to put some aluminum, so you just want to put a coping there and waterproof it. Like I said, the right way it's supposed to be, the sill should be higher and the coping should be lower. That means the water run off the sill and run and escape. But now he's planning to waterproof the entire thing, so water shouldn't be an issue afterwards, because he's basically just doing it for looks right now.
This way the water run off this way.
Oh yeah, I twist too much. Yeah? Yeah.
This is supposed to bring back your memories from the first house, see? Remember the first? Way more level on that. Just let the one look like you want to.
Wait, keep it there. Keep it chill. So guys, this is the final result of this one. Still got one more to do, and then I still got that one over there to do, and then I'm good to go. So this is a house that I built last year in the summer, so now I'm just here installing the cap